Hey, what's up? If you're someone that's looking to style your hair in less than 30 minutes, every Monday I'm coming with a different video showing you guys different styles in less than 30 minutes. Today I decided to use my Betterlength clip-ins that were already used, so let's get into it.
Alright, you guys, here's my clip-ins. I had these for, I don't know, maybe a year or two. It's been a minute. I just have them in here like this. See here, and I didn't wash these after I took them out last time, so I'll go ahead and wash these right now and let them dry. Okay, so I just washed and conditioned my hair. It is still wet. I sectioned my hair off. I'm going to just pull out just this one little section right here. Everything else will get braided back.
Okay, you guys, so I'm not sure what happened to the sound of my video, but so I went ahead and cornrowed the back of my hair. I used the leave-in conditioner and I used my whipped hair butter, and then I used those same products and blow dried my hair in the front. So now I am flat ironing the clip-ins and then just installing them in the back, regular daggler, how you would any clip-ins. But I did like straighten my clip-ins in between each one. And right here I'm showing you that I like to curve the clip-in up, that way you can't like really see the side of the track. So I do that all the way up, and you can see here it looks really nice. It's full, it's thick. So in the front I did it in sections using this Fantasia holding spray. Just spray that all around and then put it into a ponytail, and I blow dried that just to make sure that was in. And then I used edge control in the front, which I should have used just that same holding spray and pushed it back. But yeah, I used that in the front and then just put that into a ponytail. When I install my clip-ins, I try to make sure that I do not have as much hair out as, what you really need, because who has time to be matching their hair? That's why I only had just that little section out on the side, and everything else was pretty much hidden or put into a ponytail. So I put rubber bands around it and then wrapped the hair around it so that my hair wasn't sticking up. Because, baby, I'm over here finessing these clip-ins because it's not the same texture. Let's be real. Whether it's straight clip-ins or curly clip-ins, like it just will not be the same texture. So I'm doing what I have to do to get it to look, presentable. And right here, I'm just putting a hairpin in the back, just make sure that that little, thing not sticking up. Put a hairpin back there and just cover it up. Really cute. My hair did frizz up towards like by the end of the day, so I end up just taking my hair and putting a hairpin in between it, because when I went outside it was like psych your mind. So I just took a hairpin and pushed it back. But I thought this was a really cute style. You guys definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, or if you decide to try this out. Definitely get you some Betterlength clip-ins. Honey, these clip-ins are really nice, and they last a long time. So click the link and go get yours. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.